Hi, everyone. I'm Ivan Martinez, and I'm one of the senior product managers here at Litera. Many of you out there are longtime Metadact users and are very familiar with the application. Some of you may not have used Metadact before or are on the market for a new metadata scrubbing and data loss prevention solution. Either way, I'm very excited to announce, in partnership with our friends over at Xero, we now have a Metadact integration for iOS devices. Utilizing Xero's powerful mobile email client, users' iOS devices such as iPhones and iPads can now directly integrate with Metadact server to analyze and clean attachments seamlessly at the time of send from the iOS device. This integration is made possible by using the Metadact REST API that is currently available to Litera Metadact server customers. The Metadact REST API allows for a direct link to the firm's Metadact server to upload and process the attachments, controlled all from the user's iOS device. Again, this integration is directly in the Xero mobile email client and on iOS devices and is connected to the firm's Metadact server. For this demo, I won't get into too much detail on the Xero mobile email client, but it is a powerful solution that has some great built-in integrations, timekeeping functionality, and optional AI features that bring amazing value to many firms. Using this and the powerful cleaning engine of Metadact server, we think this integration is a great solution for all to use. So now let's see it in action. I'm opening up the Xero mobile email client that, as you can see, is very much like the native iOS email client that you are used to using. I'll create a new email, and I'm sending this to a fictional external recipient. Adding a subject, some text in the body, and I'm going to add a couple of files. I have a Word document with track changes and comments. I also have an Excel file. Now you can see, upon attaching the files, a small Litera logo appeared in the top right-hand side of my keyboard. It's not required, but if I press this icon, I see the existing cleaning profiles that are currently available on my firm's Metadact server. If I choose to, I can pick an alternative profile, or I can leave it with the firm's default. I can then press the send button. If a profile allows for alertable metadata to be detected, you will see that the Metadact preferences screen is shown. In this screen, I can choose things like leave track changes or comments, and I can apply the settings to all files or individual files. Once happy with my choices, I press accept and send. And as you can see, there's an option to send or send and move. For this demo, I would just press send, and the email is sent off to the recipient. Now, normally Metadact server will intercept these outbound emails and process them on the way out. But with this integration, utilizing the Metadact REST API, the attachments are instantaneously uploaded to the firm's Metadact server, processed, and downloaded back to the user's iOS device. Metadact processed the attachments according to the instruction that the user chose at the time of send. The integration provides a seamless user experience by allowing them to use their cleaning profile and/or preferences as if they were sending from Outlook or their laptop, or simply sending from email as they normally do on their iOS device. Whatever method is used, users can feel confident that they are cleaning their attachments of sensitive information and metadata by harnessing the power of Metadact server. If you have any questions, please reach out to us here at Litera or our friends over at Xero. Thanks, and have a great day.